Hello everyone, my name is Peddaya. I'm a developer in this HCL team. So now I'm going to demonstrate all code editor improvements done in this sprint. So now this feature, still it is an experimental, but it is in good shape. So it would be nice to give a try and provide the feedback. Yeah, and coming to this feature, so how to enable this? So go to Windows menu and preferences, and there is experimental feature preference page. So here right side you see all code editor. Just tick this and apply and close. So once it is enabled, you can see. So right click on this any model element in the project explorer and source in editor. So in this select code snippet dialog, at the end you can see the experimental all code option. So just double click on it or click OK. So it will open separate editor. And already in the couple of sprints, I demonstrated what it contains. Now I'll demonstrate only the improvements done in this sprint. So the first improvement, if you see the editor icon, this icon, whatever the element is having in the project explorer. So now this editor will have this same icon. And then so the expand bar. So we have added the right click menu and it contains 3 options. Expand all, collapse all, and expand non-empty. So by default, when you open editor for any model element, so it will expand all the non-empty code snippets, and you have a possibility to expand all and expand collapse all and expand only the non-empty snippets, which is a default behavior when we are opening this R code editor. And one more thing we have done here is, so if you expand any code snippet, by default it will focus on it. So we can start editing the snippet editor. So what if we have all these snippets are empty? So in that case, it will open the all code editor for that element and focus on first code snippet. So directly we can start modifying it. Yeah, that's one improvement. And so some commands we have made it work now, like go to right click on editor, go to source model element. So earlier it was not working, so now it works fine. Yeah, another command is show in project explorer. So this one is also was not working. Yeah, maybe now I selected a red state, and now I'm in green state all code editor. So I'm just right click on it and show in project explorer. So it will change this selection in project explorer view. And so it was not possible to navigate from different places. I mean, for example, for any model element, all code editor is opened, and if we are in different editor, and if you want to open same, if it is already open in all code editors, so now it is possible to brought up that all code editor and focus the respective editor in the all code editor. So now I'm in different editor. So I'm trying to open exit code snippet for the green state. So it will okay. So basically it is popping up here, brought up here, and select that snippet editor. And for example, if it is collapse that snippet editor, and if you want to navigate it from code view, so it will also yeah, maybe just to demo, I'll switch back to the different editor and navigating from code view. So this also works now. And so another improvement we have done in this sprint is, so earlier if you try to unload the model, so it was not closing the open all code editor. So it was closing the all other editors except all code editor, and it was giving some errors. So now that issue also fixed in this sprint.